grandson's name?
Russell.
Russell, that's a really, really good one. I mean, that's mad if that, because the last mystery found was peeling the top off a ketchup thing of a little tub, like the metal thing. Imagine if this is actually haven't actually travelled that far from the condiment range, and we're now in the big ketchup box. Love that.
Are you correct? Tune in tomorrow to find out. Actually, I can't be bothered to write you down.
Oh, Gary, I'm sorry. I know. First a reflex, then it's a wonder you listen anymore. I'm so glad that you do. Please call us again with another guest.
All right, thanks.
Bye. See you, Gary. See you. Bye-bye. All right, John, talk to me. Hello.
Hi, Harriet.
Hello.
Looking after playtime and go learn about fractions, everybody just wants to mess around and play with their wands a little bit more.
You'd be going back from school to filming, and it's a long day for an 11-year-old, but it was fun. I saw a fair amount of the main cast. They're all really nice.
There was one day when we had a slight break from filming, so we all stepped outside and we had the children sitting down, and then just suddenly...
Now, speaking of special, do we have anyone celebrating a birthday here today? Would you like to come forward? Anyone celebrating a birthday? All of you, come forward. I need all of your help. So anyone? My birthday helper, everyone come on in. Yes, everyone, this is the Great Hall. It was one of the first sets ever constructed from films and one of the largest. We moved forward with CGI candles, along with stars, clouds and storms that you see throughout the Harry Potter films. Now the candles here today are not real candles either. The special effects team have attached small LED lights to the candles, which make them appear as if they are flickering. So while the ceiling here might not be quite real, the floor, however, if you give the floor a stone for me, it is real York large stone, just like you would find in a real castle. During the early days of production, the production team realized that this floor would endure a lot of wear and tear, so using a real stone was the best way to make it last. And it did survive some of the biggest scenes. But now, just like Harry, Ron and Hermione would have done, they walked all the way through the Great Hall to teachers' tables, where they were sent into their houses. And if I can draw your attention to the front of the Great Hall, you can see that we have the front choir here as a part of our Return to Azkaban feature, just like it was done during the Azkaban film, so where the students actually welcomed Hogwarts students back to school for another year. And now we are going to listen to a small part of that song, and let's go in 3, 2, 1. Themselves, and of course the conductor, Professor Webbeck. And 16 golden snitches in the throughout the tour. The first snitch is hanging there by the archway. And as you are listening us during our Return to Azkaban feature, you can use the broad.
this series of different world spaces, windows at the
Sen de just eli, kun ne on kanssa maailmalla.